What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life on a 2018 BMW 430i. Like I said, it's a 2018 in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. And this is going to be the same procedure to reset any of the service reminders, but for this video we're specifically going to be looking at the engine oil. So the first thing we need to do is put the vehicle to the on position. So without pressing the brake, press the stop-start button one time. Then once we have the vehicle on, what we're going to do is press and hold this trip button on the left-hand side of the dash. Press and hold that down until it brings up these service items. Then let go. Now what we're going to do is press this to scroll through until we have engine oil highlighted. Once that's up, we're going to press and hold down this button until it says reset with a question mark, then let go, then press and hold it down again until we see reset in progress. And then you can let go, and you see there it says reset successful. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.